AI SEO, the difference between being found and being recommended. For years, digital marketing was about being found, getting onto page one of Google, winning the click, driving visitors to your website, and for a long time that worked. But search has changed. Today, your customers are asking ChatGPT, Google AI, Gemini, and Perplexity for answers. They're no longer searching through pages of results. They're asking AI for recommendations. And that's where the real shift has happened, the difference between being found and being recommended. Think about your own behavior. You assume the businesses mentioned have earned their place. You assume they're credible, experienced, worth considering. Your customers are doing exactly the same thing. When an AI platform gives you a direct answer, you naturally trust that recommendation. So the question becomes, when AI is asked about your industry, for your products or your services, does it mention your business or somebody else's? At Net Branding, we help make sure your business is the one AI trusts, cites, and recommends, because visibility is no longer just about rankings. It's about authority. It's about trust. It's about becoming part of the answer. Since 2008, we've helped businesses adapt to every major shift, from websites to SEO to social media to mobile and now AI-powered search. We don't see AI as the next shiny object. We see it as the next evolution of search, and we are helping businesses prepare for it now. We understand that technology alone doesn't influence decisions. People do. Trust does. Confidence does. That's why our approach combines AI visibility, customer psychology, authority building, and search expertise into one connected strategy. We help AI understand who you are, what you do, why you're credible, and why you deserve to be recommended through AI SEO, generative engine optimization, answer engine optimization, structured data, authority content, digital PR, and trusted citations across the web. Because the businesses that win in the next generation of search won't simply be found, they'll be trusted, they'll be cited, and they'll be recommended. The opportunity is happening right now. Most businesses are still focused on rankings alone, while their future customers are already asking AI who they should trust, who they should contact, who they should buy from. The businesses that establish authority today are building an advantage that compounds tomorrow. The future of search is already here. The only question is whether your business will be part of it. If you're wondering whether AI can find your business today, let's find out. Start with an AI visibility check. See what AI understands about your business. See how you compare to your competitors and discover what it takes to become trusted, cited, and recommended. Because every day your future customers are asking AI for advice, the question is simple. When that moment comes, will AI recommend your business or somebody else's? Net Branding, leading the next revolution, helping businesses become trusted, cited, and recommended by AI. Be seen, be heard, be found, trusted and cited online.